Hi, this is Dr. Zawish, and today I'll be going over the most effective stretches for the lower back. These stretches are customized for people that they have acute or chronic lower back pain, sciatica, or just simply backache. The cause of the back pain can be muscular or skeletal, which means that it's coming from the spine, and these stretches will be great for both of them. And again, these stretches are very simple, which means that you can do them at home or at the gym. You don't need any equipment for them. You just have to do them on daily basis in order to be effective. All right, let's begin. Okay, one of the stretches for the lower back is you lay down your mat on the floor, and you're gonna go on your fours like this, and what you will do is that you're gonna lean all the way back. Make sure your toes are pointing outwards, and you're gonna be sliding your arms all the way forward, and you're gonna be in this position for about 20 to 30 seconds. You should feel the stretch along the lower back and along the lat muscles. And when you are done, you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times. You come to the center, and then you go all the way back again. You're going to slide your hands all the way as far as it can go, and you just hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Stretch, you lay down on the floor on your stomach, more like this. You bring your arms kind of parallel to your shoulders. What you will do is that you're going to do a half push-ups, and you go all the way up, and this is basically a stretch for the front core muscles of your back and for mobilization of the lower back. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and when you're done, you go down again, and you go all the way up, and you hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. You're going to be doing this for about maybe 5 to 10 times each day, and you go all the way down. The other stretch, you go on your floors again, and the whole idea for this one is to stretch the side muscles of your lower back and the lat. So you go on your floors, and what you will do is that you're going to go all the way back, and you're going to slide this hand to this side, and you're going to lean your body to this one, and you should feel a nice stretch all the way along your side. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, you go up, and you're going to repeat it on to the opposite side. You go up and you go down. The other stretch, what you do is that you sit on the floor, you bring your feet together, you grab your toes, and you pull them closer to your body as much as you can. And for this one, you're gonna be pressing your knees all the way down. Sometimes you can use your elbows to press down, and you hold it for about, again, 15 to 20 seconds. And at the same time, make sure the back is straight. You wanna be holding your posture more like this, not like this. So it's very important for your back to be straight, more like this. And you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times each day. The other stretch for the lower back is you sit in this position, and what you will do is that you try to reach for your toes. If you can't go all the way forward, that's okay. Just hold on to your ankles and just hold on to them, and you lean forward. Again, make sure your back is straight. You don't want to be more like this. You want to hold your posture as straight as possible for your lower back to get the maximum stretch. So you try to reach as far as you can, and you hold it. Make sure you breathe in and out, and then you go a little bit forward. Make sure you breathe in and out, and you go a little bit forward, and you just hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times each day. All right, the other stretch for the lower back is you sit, you put your feet, you put your feet like a V shape, and for this one, you're going to be reaching to one side. Again, make sure the back is straight, and you hold on to your ankle or leg, and you kind of hold them for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, you switch to the other side, and you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times, and make sure you breathe in and out as you're holding this stretch. It's very important. When you're stretching the lower back, you always have to stretch the front as well. So one of the best way to stretch your quads or hip flexors is that you basically sit like this, and you're going to be lunging forward, and you should feel the stretch all the way through your quads and hip flexors. You hold them for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you're done, you switch legs. You basically have to kind of do a move like this, and you're going to lean forward to get a good stretch on that side. Make sure your upper body is pretty much straight. Hold it for about. Another way to stretch the lower back is stretching your hamstrings, and one of the ways to do that, you sit like this. You're gonna bend one leg like this, like a figure 4, and you're gonna be trying to reach to your toes or your ankle, and you're just gonna hold on. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, you switch sides, and again you try to reach as far as you can go. Once you reach to your maximum, just hold on to your leg or to your ankle, and just hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times. Now we're going to stretch the gluteal muscles, which is usually the most common cause of lower back pain. Comes from the tight gluteal muscles. And one of the ways is, let's say if you want to stretch the left side, you're going to bend your left leg like this, and you're going to go all the way down, and you're going to be leaning onto the left side, and you should feel the stretch around here. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, you go on your fours, you basically switch legs, and you go all the way down, and you're going to be leaning on to the other side. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, again, the easiest way is to go on your fours, and you're going to be switching legs, more like this. And you do this 4 to 5 times each day. The other way to stretch the lower back is you go on your back like this, you bend your knees, you put one foot on top of the other knee, you grab the back of the knee through your leg, and you're going to bring it to your chest. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. When you are done, you go down, you switch sides, and you grab the back of the knee and you pull it towards your chest. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and you're going to be repeating this 4 to 5 times each day. Another way to stretch your back is you lay down on your back and you keep your legs straight. You grab one knee and you bring it to the opposite side. And for this one, you should feel the stretch on the side of your hip. You hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Again, you bring it to your chest, and then you push it towards the opposite shoulder. And when you're done, slowly release it. Bring it to your chest and push it towards the opposite shoulder, and you should feel the stretch around there. Hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and you should be doing this 4 to 5 times each day. You go down, you bring it up here, and you push it towards your opposite shoulder. Great, that was some of the most important stretches for the lower back, especially for people that they have back pain, sciatica, or back achiness. These are the good stretches for them to do, and you can do them at home or at the gym. You don't need any equipment for them. You just need a mat or carpeted area. The most important thing is that for them to be effective, you need to do them at least 4 to 5 times each day. Every time you do them, hold them for about 15 to 20 seconds or 20 to 30 seconds based on your tolerance, and make sure you breathe in and out as you're holding the stretches. You can do them at home or at the gym, and you don't need any equipment for them, and you just have to do them on daily basis. If you find this video effective and helpful and you like to receive more videos like this, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.